Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Sam, and this is Outdoors in Maryland. We are going to do something a little different. I do a couple product reviews, but there's something that I really like, and I'm going to bring it to you because I like it. We are smokers. My wife today, just on the barbecue grill, just smoked a pulled pork, and we just ate. And let me tell you what, that was freaking delicious. You know, on the pit boss. So we had a propane grill, we had our smoker, our pellet grill, and I got rid of the propane grill because I can do everything I want. I can grill, do everything on my smoker. But the big thing right now, I mean, it's like all my friends, I think every friend that we talk to now has gotten one, and that is buying a griddle. And we actually went and bought a BLACKSTONE 28-inch griddle, flat top, and we put it out here on in our crab shack. This is our crab shack. This is where we eat our crabs at here in Maryland. Maryland, we do our blue crabbing, and I am stumbling and bumbling and doing all kind of words. But so what we're going to talk about is that it being so popular, as soon as we got it, the first thing I wanted, because it didn't come with a cover, so we actually had to buy like the grill cover for it. Okay, so what we bought, and we bought on Amazon, was a Griddle Guard. Okay, the Griddle Guard here, like the other day, I'm gonna show you a video right now that we don't like it because we just cooked on it, so we didn't put the regular black cover over top of it. So I wanted a cover that we can set on it when we don't have the big cover on it, and this protects your grill, you know. And it was just so, all of a sudden a storm came up yesterday and it rained, and it got a little rain on top of it, and this right here will protect your griddle or your surfers from getting rained on, you know, if you don't have your black cover. And the best thing about this, I like the diamond plate. They actually have two. They actually have a diamond plate one, and I believe they have one that's black. And it's hard, it's very light, very sturdy, but it's very light. It's made with aluminum, and the easiest thing is when it came in, you basically comes with a handle, and you got 4 bolts. It was a piece of cake to put on. It took, I think my wife took 5 minutes. My wife did everything. No, I did it. I put the handle on. It didn't take long. It was really easy. So the best thing is that this protects your grill. So I mean, it's just that easy. I mean, see how light I came off. And the best thing is that it hangs off the back. So it's almost like, I think they were saying it's almost like a splash guard. Okay, and you don't have to move it and put anything. It sits right on the back of it. Even with the you have your spill pan back here, you know, so it still don't get in the way. It's very light, stays in there. I mean, that is definitely well worth the money. The best thing about this thing, not only does it protect your griddle, but it's made in the USA, made right here in the love of America, USA. She's laughing back there. But great quality. So if you are interested in that, I'll definitely will put the link in the description so you can go and get this, and you can get it in, I think it's diamond plated, and you can get it, it's in black, black, or like I would say almost like a charcoal, you know, like an off black maybe, but it's black, it's a dark color, not the diamond thing. I like this the best. Okay, so hey man, if you like these kind of videos, man, we got a lot of stuff coming up, and it might be maybe 2 weeks before I can get another video out, because we went crabbing for the first time this year, which turned out to be pretty good. It didn't start off real good, but it ended up just perfect for me and the wife. I went out and did some fishing up on the Susquehanna River up out of Conowingo Dam. I did we were catching some catfish. We're going crabbing again this coming up. I'm actually going tomorrow. I am going with the Baltimore angler, and we are going snakehead fishing. We are going to try to find him his PB snakehead. Hey, and look, I'll put a link right up in here, the card here. I cooked some snakehead on the griddle, so if you want to see that recipe and how I cooked it, you can go back there and click that up there and let you know. Okay, and we're going crabbing again, and then I'm going out on the Chesapeake Bay, and we're going to try to catch some speckled trout. Never caught one before, and I'm ready to do it. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, peace, slap me. All right, rock on.